Now, if you're doing any coolant work on your vehicle, make sure you do this before you start it for the first time. So here we have an 03 Civic. This happens to be owned by a friend of mine. He had the original radiator in the vehicle. After all these years, lasted almost 20 years, but it developed a small crack right here. So we have a brand new radiator, new hoses, but I want to verify I have no leaks. Now, the reason why I want to pressure test everything is because if I start the vehicle and there's a leak, then I have clean coolant dropping or leaking out of there could be multiple places where it can leak out of. And coolant is very expensive, and why waste my time? I can quickly pressure test the system. And it's very, very simple to do. I'll link this in the description box below. You can use this on many, many vehicles. So there's an adapter, as you can see, and we simply place the adapter directly onto the radiator neck. Now, the bottom you do want to coat with fresh coolant, and then we just place on the cap. Now, these hoses, if you want, sometimes I'll place a zip tie here and another zip tie here, but in this case, I think we'll be okay. For many vehicles, to test the cooling system is 15 to 16 psi. So at first, I'm just adding some pressure here, building up the psi. As you can see, everything looks really good. We don't have any leaks in terms of right here or right here. So let's keep on going. Again, around 15 psi is a good number. Check underneath the vehicle, all around. And in my case, everything looks to be really, really good. So at this point, I can start up the vehicle, bleed the system, and I'm all done, and the vehicle is ready for the road. I hope you guys enjoy this little short episode, and thank you for watching.